Hi, ever wondered how to tame your vocal with multiband compression? If so, stay put. In this video, we'll shortly break down and show you the technique from our latest blog article with that exact subject. Before we start, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Compression may be a challenging aspect to grasp for an aspiring music producer, especially when aiming for well-balanced vocals. As a process, compression has this amazing ability to give your vocals that radio-ready tone. As you can see, we processed this vocal with a multiband compressor, specifically this one from Waves, called Linear Phase Multiband. Now, a multiband compressor divides the frequency spectrum into several bands, compressing each one separately. This allows us to compress certain parts of the frequency spectrum more than others. You will notice by looking at the gain reduction curve that the part of the frequency spectrum in this vocal that was compressed the most was the low-mid area. We started from the multi-electro mastering preset, and from there on, we just lowered all of the thresholds down the same amount, except for this low-mid one, we lowered that one additional 12 decibel. Also, the gain was adjusted for all of the bands, and we lowered the low-mid one an additional 2 decibels. Of course, these settings worked for this vocal. You have to experiment on yours to get a desired result. Usually there is some boominess in the vocal in the low-mid frequencies, which is what we fixed by using a stronger compression in that area. We made the makeup automatic so that any volume change we made was automatically compensated for. Let's listen to the vocal uncompressed, then compressed, and finally in the context of the full mix.